कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय देवकी नन्दनाय च नन्दगोपकुमाराय गोविन्दाय नमो नमः। हरि ओम। What we collect inside is more important than what we hoard and collect outside. What you collect inside is not going to leave you for a very, very long time. What you collect outside will leave you very soon. The worldly person tries to hold so many things. But what is very, very significant to note is to find out that when we have something outside, when we do action outside, when we enjoy outside, is there some incomplete personality born or a complete personality born? Have I created a hungry, starving I for the world, or we have created one fulfilled personality irrespective of what the world does? Spiritual life is centered on creating an I which is fulfilled from the world, even with the outside responses. Somebody gave me something. I got it. I was very happy. After that, after I got it, I developed one I that he is very good. And not only this, but he should keep on giving me. This, the demander, the expector, the reactor. When we develop demander, reactor and expector, all making tur, what we do, we create some tur personality who is now demanding something. Before meeting you, I had no demand from you. I only saw you with a cursory glance. And then I said, Hari Om, how are you? Fine. And you said, on yourself? I said, also. I said, I'm also fine. Matter was over. But failure of any work or interaction is you develop one person inside who is hungry to get something from outside. It can be love, it can be appreciation, it can be, or shall I say, respect. It can be some insistence has come with certain person. This insistence that is born with a certain person or a certain situation is your failure of interaction, failure of living with that person. And therefore, what we do normally while living, we create many such inside what? Reactor, expector, demander. And that, you remember one thing, when I meet you, I don't meet you. This incomplete I, this reactor or demander meets, not the fulfilled one meets. Karma Yoga is that whatever you do, create a fulfilled I. This is what Bhagavan says, offer everything to me. So end product is I with the God. And topic is closed now. When I live in the world, I create I with 6 persons. I plus dash dash. So there is this hollowness I. Why you did not do? Why you did not come? Why you did not live with me? Why you did not see me? Why did you not love me? These things come up. And that, or I did so much I did not get. Or supposing I got also, then I think I should get, get more and more. बोलते हैं ना दिल मांगे मोर. अब ये मांगा हमने, क्या करें फिर? This is, and slowly and steadily as we grow in our age, there is a line of motley crowd of such eyes. Crowd, motley means crowd. Now I go out with the pressures. अब क्या होगा? And I pass away. This is where the point comes, what I was driving yesterday. I was telling you that this tendential personality takes you to situational prison. So this personality does not die. It will continue in the next birth. And you will get a situation also. I will not discuss, I have already told that. But warning bell is very important. Warning bell is that I created an angry eye with respect to you. Whenever I think about you, I get very upset. That sleeping eye is there. You have not seen. Supposing two people are talking together very well. It happened many times. Somebody is talking to me very well in some picture. How are you, Sam? You're so nice to see you. Wonderful. Everything is going on so well. And in South Africa, the mission is wow, very good. Right? Everything is, she's on cloud 9. Somebody comes. Okay, Samjay, I'll take a leave now. No, 1 minute. Mrs. Chadda. Mrs. Chadda, please. No, Swamiji, I have urgent. No, what urgent work is there? You said you'll stay with me till 5 o'clock. No message also came in front of me. And if Samjay says, please show me your phone. Why? Because Mrs. Chopra had come. I can't tell the real name. If real name I tell, it will be a problem. You have to be careful what you say also now. Now Mrs. Chopra is there and both saw each other like this. I can make it out which eye has come up. All her expression went away. And Mrs. Chopra is comfortable. But she has lost her luster. She is not talking now properly. Okay, I'll wait there. No, come here. No, don't wait there. Come here. Come here. No, Swamiji, I'm fine. Sorry. You can see the whole face. This, why the tomato is red? It blushed seeing the salad. Seeing the salad. Tomato blushed, they say. क्या हो गया आपको ऐसा क्या हो गया? That sleeping eye was there, reactor eye. You must be happening. I'm giving a third example. I can't give you right away. If I give you right away, you get upset. So I don't want to make you upset in the प्रवचन. After that, we will talk. अब देखो क्या हुआ क्या? That was a sleeping eyes there. यही मतलब there must be some interaction between Mrs. Chopra and Mrs. Chadha. And something must have gone that देखो, she did not make her angry. She brought her angry personality. She maintained her. She maintained the sorrow. She maintained the wound. What is this? You don't live with outside person. You live with the I corresponding to that person. I think some of the days I must have done. I don't live with you. With you, I have a corresponding I. That this boy is very good, or he is not good, or he is very divine. I live with that I. I don't live with the external person. It is a myth that I live with you. I live with the I that I have made corresponding to you. If I have an I which is very compassionate I with you, no, he's God's, she's God's. God will take care. I live with you, and therefore whenever I remember you, my mind is fine. My remembrance to aayega hi, even if I don't see you whole day, but once in a while the thought will cross about you. Where are you? How are you? Are you well? Are you not well? You did like that, you did not do. But the thought crosses that I also comes what I have made incomplete. I reacting, I angry, I expecting, I happy, I am very happy with you. A happy I came up. I have a lot of compassion with you. Very compassionate I came up. My only point is, what is my point? That please be careful with what you have to live with. Something which is very close, you are very careful. Even people offer mala, I am very careful because worms are there, insects are there sometimes. So I try to take it out. And sometime, morning they prepare, the mala is in the fridge they put. And evening, cold mala. Warm welcome with the cold mala. Chalo, cold bhi theek hai. What is close to you, be careful. Even when you put on clothes, once in a while you see the clothes, it is okay, some ant is not there or some mark is not there. One day mark was there and they said mark is there. On your Angavastra mark is there. Please don't mark all these things. Some mark is here and there. Kya kare hamara? I don't remember all these things. I just take a cloth and just put on and just move on. Something very close, you are very careful. Like you go to sleep. It is a rule before you go to sleep. Don't lie on the bed. Please shake the bed first. Shake the bed sheet, Don't jump. Oh, I did not know that. Because you don't know ant may be there. Ant will be uncomfortable with you. Ant. So heavy you are. So ant will. For ant's sake, at least shake it. Whole night is there, you shake it. Again. I was at one place and I was going in the morning to do puja. And the asana, that centipede was there. Centipede was meditating on my asana. And inside, not on the top, inside that, beneath the asana. It took lot of time to take him out. I said, again he may not come. On one asana, only one jiva should meditate. I should not get his impression. Otherwise, I'll also start running away. What is close to you, you have to be careful. Supposing somebody lives, you have to share your room with somebody. You have to be careful about what he is doing. When something you are making so close to your mind, you are not careful about that then. आप मन के अंदर रख रहे हो. There is something called pacemaker. They install there in the heart. I don't know how is it made. They operate to give the breathing, etc. But there are rules for that. Magnetic area is there, or some very hot place, something, there are rules. You have to be careful about it. It is too close to your physical art. You cannot just do like that. Or somebody has rod in the knees. Some people become very rich. Gold in the teeth, stone in the kidney, rod in the knees, iron in the knees. Quite steely personalities. Something very close. Even when you eat something, you are careful what is it. Therefore, smell is required. God has made smell and eyes. You have to see also. You have to see and smell what you are eating. Because if something is not right, your nose will tell that it is not right. Don't eat this. Immediately. Or eyes will see. In dark, never eat in the dark. Because you don't know what you will eat. You will feel that, the salad leaves are moving, it's a cockroach. Unless you are a Chinese. But you are putting an eye in the heart. इधर आ जाओ थोड़ा सा. One chair, बस, thank you. Eye in the heart you are putting. हम लोग बहुत careless हैं. We live such a careless life. I thought you are so bad, you hurt me so much. You spoiled my life. I have seen people who not only keep it, but nourish it. They water this eye. What you are doing now? Bali Swamiji spoiled my life. Who? That person has spoiled my life. Sure. He's so powerful. He's God. So tell me, what is the meaning of spoiling my life? Arey, money has gone, Swamiji. He had made my life a mess. Arey, mess, you should eat something. How can anybody spoil your life? He left me from nowhere. Not like that. He took away something from you, I agree. Maybe he took away your money, he took away your... Something he may be taking away. I agree. That is your prarabdha. But corresponding to that person, if you have kept such a wounded and such a bruised eye, you will live with this whole life. Problem is this. Therefore, Bhagavan says in Gita, don't accept the fruit of action. When he says don't accept the fruit of action, it only means don't make unfulfilled I with relative to world. Please get these points. These are subtle points. If you don't get it, देखो catches mean the matches. In cricket, these are the principles. Even if you don't know cricket, you should know this. That catches win the matches. Sierra knows that. But she does not know. Basic cricket you should know. So if you don't catch this point, you will be missing something in life. Because this is the thing that has really changed me totally. Oh, you have changed? Yes. Totally. And by God's grace, long back these things struck me. Not today. Long back these things were striking me. And the day I struck, I felt so relieved. Well, but he did wrong to you. No, he did what? Why should I say he did wrong to me? Why should I say he did wrong to me? My prarabdha was there. I have dipped in the honey of God. God gave me. Topic is over. Why should I carry all these things? I am happy. With him you are fulfilled. Very fulfilled. I don't keep wounded eye. हमारा प्यारा है. Anybody who can do wrong to me, my best wishes. Because you cannot do wrong to me. God is there. So if somebody said, no, he spoiled my life. What do you mean by life? बैठ जाओ. Come now, sit. Sit here. Have some cold drink. Lemon juice you will have? No, I don't have anything. Lemon juice? Lemonade? Acha, what is it called? Appetizer? Not appetizer. I am saying appetizer. You heard something. Appetizer. I think we also have here. Appetizer, not appetizer. You will have appetizer? No. Come on, what do you mean by life? Your financial state, your reputation, your house, your father, mother, your child, your husband, your wife. यही है लाइफ. क्या स्पॉइल करेगा कोई तुम्हारा? देखो, external world, why are you so making it so much internal? Let there be some gap between external and internal. There is a gap between your room and the road. Road, people don't come in your room. Even one who is walking the veranda also doesn't come in your room. You know that everybody should not come in my room. Everybody should not come in my room. It's my privacy. Acha? Yes. If required, I'll tell him to come. But generally I don't want any Tom, Dick and Harry to come in my room and sit. No, in your presence? No, in my presence also I don't want him to come. If I need to talk, boardroom I'll talk to. I'll talk in the lounge. There are ashrams there. He need not come in. It's my private area. Somewhere I went and some person came. Not only he came in my room. You know where he sat? Where I do puja? On my asana. He's comfortably sat on my asana. He started talking. In front of God, I don't want to talk anything. This is a rule. What is altar? In front of God, talk only about God. Or do stuti. About any matter, I don't want to talk in front of God. अब वो चालू हो गए, बोले नहीं 2 minutes स्वामी जी. How possessive you are. But you're not possessive about your peace, about your eye that you develop. He must have taken something external. Huh? Nobody can take your mind. One thing I'm telling you, what is very important, nobody can take it. You know, when the children fight, or 2 girls fight sisters, they pull their hair. All must have been pulled. They are so quiet. Or mother must have pulled sometimes, because it's a good grip is there to hit. She also got. Anyway, my hair was never pulled by nobody can pull your kidney and hit you, because it is important. What is important cannot be pulled out. Nobody can snatch it so easily. Unless the doctor is on the operation table. Doctor is on the operation table and you are conscious and he's saying, oh my God, what happened? My lens has fallen down now. I don't know where it has fallen down. Or he's saying, funny things he can say. Or he can say, oh, in this book, 47 pages missing. In this only liver was mentioned. Know what to do. Or he says, oh, he has 2 kidneys. 1 kidneys we can sell. You hear all these things. I can take 1 kidney. भाई आपका जो आई है, जरा माइंड को दूर रखो ना इस विश्व से. What I make, I'm not saying, please be attentive. You did something wrong. How should I take that person who did wrong? You did wrong to your prarabdha, not to you, first of all. Please correct yourself. Prarabdha was there and prarabdha not belongs to you. Don't possess your prarabdha. Don't be very possessive about prarabdha. Prarabdha is a mad thing. You just don't know where it turns. Something is mad because you can't predict about that. Prarabdha is a child of ignorance only. Prarabdha comes from karta comes from ignorance. So it is a grandson of ignorance only. कोई बहुत बड़ा मत मानो उसको, बहुत ज़्यादा. Don't give too much of value to it. He said to me, don't put me, it was there. Or he was very good to me, very good. Don't make your eye everywhere attached to the experiences of the world. This is what I am saying from yesterday. Don't create a demander with respect to anybody. We are very much, careless in creating demander. I create a demander personality. I demand your presence. I demand your words. I demand your praise. I demand my child. I demand my daughter. I demand my son. I want to see you. I want to talk to you. कोई जरूरत नहीं demander की. External things should rebound in the external area, not penetrate in my internal area. Okay? What? Play volleyball. If something comes, throw from that side only. This is what football is there. If you come from that side, you throw on that side, never on your side. Although mistakes have been happening sometimes, in some matches, Manabhai will tell, I think, I have known that by mistake they put their own goal. Whole purpose of the goalkeeper was to throw it outside. Why you allowed it on your side? Pagal. तुमने एक गोल अपने ऊपर ही मान लिया है. प्रारब्ध है, अच्छा हुआ, खराब हुआ. He was very good with me, she was very bad with me. हो गया. That me is out. Therefore, yesterday I am emphasizing on this point. This tendential personality becomes situational present via your acceptance of the sorrow and joy. This via is very important. The hopping flight. You don't have a direct flight to America. You have to go to Frankfurt or London or Abu Dhabi. I don't know direct flight is there from Johannesburg. Maybe direct flight may be from Johannesburg may be there. Johannesburg, I don't know. Is there? Direct flight. New York may be there. Achha. But most of the people go via hopping flight only. Go. I have this corresponding to any person, situation, action, success, failure. You know who is a good teacher, I tell you. Then I'll tell about a good student. Because if I tell about good student, you will say I'm pointing to you. Good teacher is the one. Supposing somebody is very good student. So about him is that he is God's. Supposing somebody is not good student. About him his he will grow very good one day. That compassion, his remembrance bring the compassion, not the anger. Maybe momentary anger teacher may show, if he is a good teacher. He has to show hardness also. Something like that. Just to threaten, you know. Now the face has to be like that. The very face is threatening. If you are late, just face is enough. My God. ये बात ध्यान रखो. Moment you accept the imperfection of the situation on the eye, you are in trouble. You are in trouble now. Why? Because problem will be That person may be not there. This I will not leave you for births. For births. To unwind it will be very difficult. Much of the sadhana you must have known is an unwinding process. What you have done, you have to unwind everything. To undo what you have done already. And that is very tedious process. बहुत careful now. Always create fulfilled, godly, non-demanding, non-situational, non-reactional, non-transformational I. But slowly say, non-demanding. For with you, no demand. Why? Because I got it. You gave me something, I accepted it from the God. And therefore between you and me, unless God comes, you cannot nurse this wound. Or nurse this I. So with you, I have created a fulfilled I. Non-demanding, non-reactional, non-lusty, non-angry, non-expecting, non-situational. What? I. This is why you say forgive the person. You did some mistake. I said it happens, I also have done a lot of mistakes in life. Before you have to be punished for your mistake, I think I need to be punished for all my mistakes first. Tell to God, before you punish him, please punish me first. So seeing your mistake as bigger as other mistake, then your forgiveness will be easier. He is extension of myself. If he does mistake, I also have done many mistakes. It took time to improve. He will also improve one day. ठीक हो जाएगा, उसका क्या है? God is there. So, topic is closed. God, you brought God, no? Topic is closed. There should be no topic which is open in your mind. Keep on closing the topic. Sign out. When you go in the bathroom, washroom, you close the tap and then come out. I hope so. Generally, some people they leave some tap always open, tap, tap, tap. But close the tap. Topic is closed. So your thought doesn't worry me. Or it doesn't give me lust, doesn't give me anger, doesn't give me dissatisfaction. It doesn't give me frustration. It doesn't give me, he has so much prosperity, I have no prosperity. He got so popular, I am not popular. Achha? He has 4 children, I have 1 child. His child is topper and my child only, nothing what to say. आप अपने आप को परेशान मत करो जरा सा. Don't trouble yourself. Regarding Kekai, Bhagwan Ram's eye was not wounded. Regarding Parashuram, his eye was not wounded. Regarding Kans, Bhagwan Krishna's eye was not wounded. Regarding the wives, Bhagwan's eyes was not expecting and desirous. Bhagwan Krishna's eye. They were all very loving. With loving person, we develop expectation, possessiveness. And this is the secret of your quiet life. I hope it is clear. Very clear, don't worry, continue, go ahead. But one point I have to make, and this is called leaving the fruit of action in Gita. Leaving the fruit is not there that you don't take salary, I have left the fruit. One child was there, his father said, if you pass in mathematics, I'll give you $20. He came with the report card. He said, Daddy, I have saved your $20. I don't want it to waste money. between you and the God, between you and the world. See, yahi hai. When Bhagavan says, Yukta karma phalam tyaktva shantimapnoti naishtikim ayukta kamakarena phale sakto nibadhyate. You know, when you have an incomplete eye, there is the pressure will start. Then it will do action. Then it will think. Then it will go to infinite areas. And for joy. And there will be no end to it. You have opened various stores with endless issues running in the mind. There is no culmination of it. And there will never be, and therefore never deal with such people. Don't try to pacify them, because he has opened that eye. He is not. Some people are non-understandable. They don't understand. Then you have done. Why here? Why you should do? I love you so much. You have to be with me. हमें जरूरत नहीं किसी की. The fulfillment of any action, relation, or enjoyment is after enjoyment, after action, after work. You don't need the world emotionally. You are with the God emotionally. This too is your achievement after action. Didn't get it. She did not get it. She is not well. I am saying after the interaction is over. With you, I also forget what is there. After the interaction is over, the desirelessness for the world and desire for the God, these two things should be the product of your action. This is called karma phal tyag. You misbehaved, still I have no bad desire for you. Bad desire is called hatred. Hatred is also very powerful desire. Well, Swamiji, I'm not attached to him, I just hate him. My dear, negative attachment is hatred. In hatred, you wish something bad should happen to me. He should get his lesson of life. Enough he troubled me. He will also get his peace of mind one day. I tell you. I see that he's brought to books. In bookstall. No. Brought to books are phrase. You don't know English. A product of action is, dhyan dena. There is many things to understand. It's not that easy actions are there. I did an action, I talked to you, I lived with my son, two result has come or not. What? Desirelessness from the son and desire for the love of God. Whether he did bad or good, whether he topped, whether he loved you, whether he shouted on you. These two should be the result. Swami, it's so difficult things you are telling. Supposing he shouts, still I should have. Of course. Why? Supposing he said something bad, how can I have desireless? You should understand he cannot give now. Desirelessness, I tell you one very wonderful point. This also held me. If somebody does not give you something, you should understand I should be more desireless. It is a point of extending your desirelessness, not hatred. And not disgruntled and dissatisfied mind. He is teaching me how to become Nishkam. This person has taught me how not to expect anything. I will do my duty, but he has taught me how I should not be. My son has taught me how I should not be asking anything from him. Very good teaching is there. So your son is really helping you in your spiritual life. Take. And you will get such people everywhere. In the house they are there, in the colleges are there, maybe in the mission are there. He has taught me very good lesson, what you should not desire. I'm not going to fulfill your desire. Okay, bhaiya, you don't fulfill my desire. I also have no desire now. But I will love you as God's representative. My good wishes, my best wishes, may God's choicest blessings be with you. With the new couple. Oh, sorry, with the person. आप प्रैक्टिस करो ना उसके साथ. One who does not give you, not that he can't give, his nature is not there to give. And supposing somebody gives you, then also, please be more careful. Because he gives you, you bring God there in between. You don't know, definitely one day he'll stop giving you. Everybody who gives one day abruptly stops giving. Or God will take you away from him. Then what will you do? So why not directly contact God? So that the situational prison is made by this, expecting I, demanding I, reactionary I. Expector I, demander I, reactor I, angry I. This is the sprout of your future prarabdha. This I had not mentioned. Therefore, I wanted to make it more lucid and clear today. Okay, Swamiji is very clear. Please go ahead. ये कहानी है अंदर की कहानी बड़ी लाजवाब है भैया. These inner stories, wow, what stories are there inside? क्या story है? And moment I say, no, God gave me the best of the time, the topics are. Remember, I don't need you and neither I hate you. Emotionally, physically maybe meet somebody. To live with the world, you need physical food, physical shelter, you need water, you need fire, you need clothes from somebody. Somebody should cook and give me. Somebody should give me salad, somebody should give me almonds, or somebody should give me medicine. That is fine. Thought level, I don't need you. My only point is here. Physically, okay. You can wash my clothes, or today I can't wash, you wash. I will wash your clothes someday. Or I need some jaggery today, or I need some mithai today, or I need something else today. Need is body level. But I don't need you to give me some very loving thoughts for me to be very happy. I don't have an incomplete I with respect to you. Don't develop this aspect. This will create a hell of the mind. And there will be endless thoughts throughout life about that. Moment you will think, don't sit on any bombs inside. Don't create some kind of suppressed, wrong, incomplete personalities. Like this girl Chopra and Chadha, I told you, no? It was suppressed. Moment she came, ऐसा मत रखो, ठीक है नहीं बोले. And there is where your devotion will help you. So now I am summarizing the whole thing. Multi-relational, tendential, demanding personality from the world should convert into one-directional, surrendered personality to the God. Slowly say, what did you say? One-directional personality to the God should convert to multidimensional in the world. No. I will maar padegi fir tumko. I said, this multi-relational, frequently demander, haphazardly reactor, erratically anger, this personality, this motley, this chunk and crowd of this personality, all of them should slowly convert and transform into one directional, thirsty personality for the Lord, for your Bhagwan. This is the success of your Karma Yoga and Bhakti Yoga. All have been packed up now, and only one is there. All is packed up and one is there. Like what these children play with that, what is it called? Huh? Not blocks. That. They stretch it. Huh? Play-Doh. So they make animal, they make this. All of them are made. Huh? Ultimately they can merge also, all Play-Dohs. So one is of mother Play-Doh, father Play-Doh, dog Play-Doh, cat Play-Doh, wife Play-Doh. They are no more than Play-Doh. And slowly, I merge them and I make one God. So this is the very important aspect. One personality should emerge. Dekho, I tell you one thing. When you say, no, he's very immature. What do you mean? What is the meaning of immaturity? Immaturity means he demands. And he demands from where he cannot get. Sign of maturity is nishkamta. Or I want to assert my wrong self. That is immaturity. I told you, why you did not do? Who are you to tell me? Immaturity means you are open to disturbance. Open to disturbance, open to anger, open to losing the peace of your mind. This is called immaturity. And matured person means there is no place where you can go and create havoc in the personality. Bhagwan Ram was immature because he was nishkam. He was nishkam and nirahankari. Kekai was immature. But not Bhagwan Ram, highly matured. Maturity is not that you put on tie, you become mature. That tie you can put the monkey also. Some advertisement dog, they put glasses on the dog. Some puppies are there, they put some glasses. So the person grows, he should grow in maturity. And maturity is nirahankarta, nishkamta, nirapekshta, nissangata. Four knees are there. But my knees has pain. No, not that knee. I am saying, so, what is nirahankarta? Nirahankarta means I'm not upon something. I'm not upon, nobody feels that I am upon him. I'm not the source of hurt for anybody. Ahankar means something which hurts somebody. About you, something you do or you see or you say, which other person feel he is too much coming on me. He is too much on me. Got my point? Ahankar means he is too much pushing me. He expects too much from me. He desires too much from me. He is bullying me too much. So ahankar means nirahankarta means I have a unassuming presence. My presence is as good as I will never be there to create. I will not push you somewhere. You may not be pushed by me. I am not emotionally pushing you somewhere. Rather, I am a source of your emotional cushion. Every Nirahankar person, he is a cushion for people around. You can recline on him, you can rest, you can even, you can say something, but he will take it. Ahankari person, spikes comes out. Porcupine. Nishkamta, this is maturity. Bhagwan Ram was Nishkam. He was Nirapeksh, Nirdvand, Nissang. All to do with the I. All. Okay. Everything to do with the I only. कोई उनके अंदर इनकम्प्लीट आई नहीं आया क्या आई लॉस्ट माई किंगडम, देखो आई लॉस्ट माई किंगडम, और आई लॉस्ट माई वाइफ, और आई लॉस्ट माई पैलेस, और आई लॉस्ट माई अथॉरिटी. I deserved, but I did not get it. I was humiliated. I was snubbed. Or I was honored. Or I broke the bow, Shivji's bow. There was no such I existing there. I hope I am able to put across. ये I नहीं आया उनके पास. When Parashuram ji asked who broke the bow, he said, हुई है कोई एक दास तुम्हारा. Some servant of you must have broken. Not that he wanted to evade, but the one who broke, he also went away. He didn't keep that. They didn't keep that relation with the world I. This I related to the world. This is obnoxious. Obnoxious not. वो रखे नहीं थे अपने पास. My kingdom was lost. I was not given my place. And after Sita ji had to go to the forest, she said, I lost my wife because of you all. Or I got a kingdom. हम लोग तो ऐसे हैं ना, यही सब सोचते रहते हैं. I lost my place, I lost my kingdom, or I broke the bow, I became the king. हर जगह I को we marry with something cancerous. It's a cancerous marriage. कुछ नहीं था उनको. Are you seeing what is the meaning of leaving the fruit of action in Ramji's life? Didn't get my point. Are getting. I gave so much of love to Kekai. What she gave to me? Most loved was Kekai Bhagwan Ram. Everybody knew that he loved Kekai more. And what he could have said, I loved Kekai. Then what she gave to me? इसको पकड़ लो, these are nectar, and if you catch it, your life will become nectarine. Without sourness. Some nectarine have sourness also. Nectarine is not in India. There only one fruit is there, orange. Whatever is there is orange. यहाँ तो पता नहीं क्या क्या नेक्ट्रीन फैक्ट्रीन. ऑरेंज इज डिफरेंट, नेक्ट्रीन इज डिफरेंट, हाँ, मैंड्रीन इज डिफरेंट. एक और भी है, हाँ, नाचीज यू गेट. नाचीज कोई क्या चीज है, वो नाचीज है. सजा हम इतनी बात आपसे कहते हैं, हमारा इतना ही कहना है बस. आई हैव दिस पॉइंट ओनली दैट आप अपने अहम को बहुत बचा के रखो. प्लीज प्रोटेक्ट योरसेल्फ. मिलने मत दो किसी से, और मिले भी तो लेट इट गो फास्टर. लेट कंपैशन कम, लेट फॉरगिवनेस कम. समबडी हैज डन रॉन्ग, फॉरगिवन. Forgiveness means God is there. Always think about your fault when you see somebody else's fault. And think that he is my extension only. Khatam ho gayi baat. If you have performed very good, then you say, no, I know I cannot perform. God is there. Simple, silly mistakes I have made in my life. Everybody knows that. Although you don't tell it. But you know how silly mistakes you have made. Which you try to hide. While walking we do mistake. We slip sometimes. Steps are over, still I'm putting my feet there. Sometimes it is not over, still then I tumble down. Forgetfulness, तो पूछो मत क्या बात है. So you don't say like that. So multi-pointed, reactionary, demanding, greedy, lusty, angry personalities corresponding to the world should be converted into single dimensional, single pointed, ananya shintayanto mam. ये बात है. Single pointed, surrendered, thirsty, offered, unflinching. What? Unflinching what? Non-situational, non-demanding, non-relational, non-reactory, non-angry. I. Such a long sentence, whole dictionary will be over. It should be converted into one desire. One. And this is Nachiketa. Nachiketas is this only. This is Parvati ji's mind. Janam janam syupad anuraga. Marat samay sati bar manga. Bhai, dekho, before Sati ji had multi-dimensional personality. She had an abhiman that I belongs to Daksh. And I also belong to Shiv. This is there. This is the problem here. So she associated with Daksh also. So when the katha was going on in Agastji's ashram, Shivji went to Agastji's ashram. And there, speaker was Agastji. Puje Rishi Akhileshwar Jani. Generally, listener worships the speaker. Here, speaker worships the listener. Uske baad Shivji heard katha of Ramji. She said, she thought, see how the other personalities trouble us. Who he is to tell to Shivji? Who is he? He is ordinary Agast. My husband is Shiv. And my father is Daksh. Why should I sit and hear all this katha, etc.? I know more than him. So she went out of the place, started looking the ashram, the deer, etc., the garden, the rose, in the ashram of Agastji. She couldn't sit there. Shivji is reveling there. Of Shivji doesn't matter whether who is studying the katha. It is Ram Nam is enough. If somebody is praising your son, doesn't matter who is there. प्यार जिससे होता है तो किसी भी आदमी सुन सकता है. Shivji lost himself. But she had a personality which was associating with the Daksh and associating with her imaginary bigness. And she could not believe when Shivji said like that. Shivji tried to explain that, Ramji is Ram, but she couldn't believe. Every ahankari person is not a good believer. He doesn't believe. So she could not believe. She knew Shivji is God, still she could not believe. What more you required? Lord Shiva is the Guru of all Gurus. He is telling you Ram. But she could not believe that. So much insistence is there in the mind. And for that she has to do tapasya. Becoming from Sati to Parvati was this only. And when all this story went over, you know the story what happened. When Satiji was sitting, some aeroplane was going on. So she asked Shivji, who is there? Well, this is, your father is arranging a yajna. He said, can I go? He said, no, but you are not invited. He said, but you invited, what does it matter? He's my father. He said, invited is okay, but he's upset, therefore he's not inviting. If somebody is very angry, don't go there. Let it cool down. Let it cool down. It is very angry with me. Therefore, deliberately is not invited. He said, no. अब खूब लड़ाई किया. In Bhagavad, she really fought a lot. Fought means she shouted on Shivaji. In Tulsi Ramayana, Tulsi wrote very few lines. 1-2 lines. Bhagavad, lot of lines are there where he shouted on, where she shouted on. That you don't like, I know what is there. You know, when the women get angry, if woman gets bitter, it is not women like you are. You are very divine, those who are listening. Those who are not listening, those women when they get angry, that bitterness she came out with. Yeah, गुस्सा हुआ उनका. The Parvati transformation. What was that? From multi-dimensional, reactionary I, demanding I, angry I, greedy I, passionate I, of many topics, of many issues. I came up to single pointed, please get my point, single pointed, all surrendered, completely offered, joyful, self-negating I, this thirsty I for the Lord. Janam janam siupad anuraga. Then she said, I will not live with this body. Now she got it. She said, you know why she said? She said, because I was introducing me with you, Daksh. And therefore whole problem of my life was there. And now I cannot think also that you are my father also. Anybody who opposes my husband cannot be my father. If somebody, my existence is because of God, not because of somebody else. And therefore, if this body was there, let this body be burnt. This is difficult portion. Difficult portion. क्या है आपकी इच्छा? One desire is there. Lord, I want, tell me how I can love God. और मांग लो कुछ? नहीं, हमें और कुछ नहीं चाहिए. How I can, I have nothing. Whom you want to please? Lord only. This is gopis. What you want? Just I want to be with Him. Whose joy you want? I want God's joy. This is Parvati. This is Sita. मन जाहि राचे और सहज बरस, सहज सुंदर सांवरो करुणा निधान. This is, she asks Parvati ji, that I want देवी पूज पद कमल तुम्हारे, सुर नर मुनि सब हो ही सुकारे. You know what I want. बसहु उर सभी के खसी माल मूर्ति मुस्कानी. So Mala fell down from the Murti and she talked. मन जाहि राचौ सहज सोबर सहज सुंदर सांवरो. Well, what you thought, he will get. You will get that. बस यही एक इच्छा थी. This is where pointing is there. This is the purpose of your whole karma. This is the purpose. अथ चित्तम समाधातुम न शक्नोषि मयि स्थिरम अभ्यास योगेन ततः मामिच्छाप्तुम धनंजय. This is what Bhagavan says. ठीक नहीं? ठीक है. अरे ठीक है भाई, आप आई एम क्लियर, आई एम वेरी वेरी क्लियर. बट इट अपीयर्स वेरी डिस्टेंट गोल. अरे डिस्टेंट नहीं किया, गोल तो रखो ना. गोल तो रखो इसको. नेक्स्ट चैप्टर विल बी अबाउट दिस ओनली. इसको रखो तो आप. एंड दिस इज व्हाई भगवान सेज अनन्य चेता सततम मयि एव मन आधत्स्व. उसके बिना काम ही नहीं होगा. Your other cancerous eyes will not allow you to remain quiet. It will throw you in the prisons after prisons. It will crush you. It is not going to get over now. Diseases are very bhav sagar, bhav rog is there. बहुत time लगता है. And what helps in that? How to convert? I already. Don't take the world without God. There should be world dissolver. Sorrow, joy, dissolver. I take with the law. Don't say, I took it, Swamiji, I took this experience with a pinch of salt. Arey, take with a honey. Why take salt? Blood pressure will increase. I have taken with a pinch of salt. You don't know that salt is a blood thicker. If you take salt, your blood will become thick. Water retention is there. When water retention is there with the salt, the whole body has to put more effort to pump the blood. So therefore your blood pressure will increase with the salt. If you are lower blood pressure, then you take salt. Your blood pressure will be rising. Okay? So don't take with a pinch of salt. And you don't take pinch, you have taken the whole bottle. Anyway. गड़बड़ सड़बड़ करते, एटलीस्ट नो द व्हाट इज द रूट. पता लगेगा कैसे चलते हैं वहां पे. Okay, I'll try. And therefore, it is imperative that your meditation, what you think, what you see, is going to stay with you. What you see will go, is going to stick, what you are sticking there. Now, what happened? I saw, I got good. Whole world is to increase your devotional personality, surrendered personality. Make your one personality. Can I go ahead? Go ahead. What is the sign? You are not uncomfortable with any person. You are not uncomfortable with any person of this world. If you are uncomfortable, that means you have a disturbing personality sitting about him. You want to be alone, that is another matter. That is another matter, that not that I am repulsive to him. I want to be alone is my status of mind. Neither somebody, I am pulling somebody very close to me. That I will live with him only. He is so good, she is so good, she is so lovely. Not fair, only lovely. I really like her. If we can spend our friendship should convert into relation. देखो ये सब dialogue तो मत यहाँ बोलो. ये तुम जो है, you are ऐसे भीख मंगे आई को लेके घूम रहे हो, that beggar आई, जिंदगी भर beggar आई के साथ रहोगे तुम. Beggar मतलब बेघर, who has no house. आप भगवान को बनाओ. कुछ भी हुआ बोले भगवान का सत्संग बड़ा बढ़िया रहा. Food you get, I told you in the morning class, success of eating is after eating you become a devotee. I told you in the afternoon class. If you think what is a prasad, after prasad you should become devotee. At least little more grateful. Prasad is to make you grateful. कैसी बात करते हो आप? I'm not saying food is tasty or not tasty. That is not an issue here. Issue is, after eating, did you express gratefulness? And this is when this personality, this is Parikshit. When Parikshit said 7 days are there, and he came out and he sat near the Ganges. Hundreds of rishis came. He said, Bhai Parikshit Maharaj, what is your question? He said, I have only one question. I am summarizing. If 7 days are there, what he should think, what he should think to get emancipation forever? One question. Well, unless you have one desire and one question, you have wasted your actions and wasted your relations and wasted your office and wasted everything. You may have built houses, you may have buildings, and you may have children, you may have all these. America you have gone to, or you may have gone to Australia. All these things are as good as ash. In one hotel it was written, if you smoke on the bed, we may have to remove your ashes also. Understood? Some signs are quite peculiar. भाई आप किसको अचीवमेंट मानते हो? ये तो एक थॉट बना कि नहीं बना, लाइफ लगा दो आप इसमें. पार्वती जी गिव तपस्या फॉर दैट. Other things are not important. My Lord is there, my Bhagavan. What you want now? Bhagavan, Swamiji, yes, come here. One who gave me this ashram. One who gave Gurudev. One who gave Bhagavad in my hand. The hands in which bottles and cigarette was there. Bhagavad is there. Acha? Yes. I was running all around. I'm so quiet now. The one who gives me every grain of food, every morsel of food. How I can give everything to him? How I can love him? Who is he in essential nature? Who is he? This is your success. One who gave you sorrow also, who is he? And let me tell you, God reveals himself. And God will tell that, who am I? Unless God loves you, you cannot love God. This is one rule. Unless I want to love you, you cannot love me. Supposing you say, I want to see you, I say, no, I won't see. Then what can you do? You can serve me only when I want the service. If I don't want the service, how can you give me seva? You say, I have kept banana in your room. I wrote back, I don't take banana. Don't bring. Next day you brought, okay, I have brought some apple and candy, sugar, grapes. Candy, sugar, ठीक बोला? हाँ? अरे cotton क्या है भाई? Cotton candy. Where is cotton in it? Anyway. Huh? As a texture is cotton. I brought cotton candy. Cotton candy. I brought cotton candy grapes. I wrote, no need. You say, I want to see you. I said, no, I'm busy for next 5 months. 5-6 times you did like that. After that, neither you will give, neither you will see me. If you cannot love me unless I want it, unless the God wants, He will not create a situation of loving. Same you were there. When you never heard Bhagavad or Ramayana, how much love you had? He only created a Ramayana in your life and brought Bhagavad, then you understood more Ramayana and Bhagavad. Maybe your parents may not have read it. As much you got the opportunity, your parents may not have got it. They have not read through the Ramayana on who was Bharatji, who was Ramji, who was Gopi. He didn't create a situation for them. Then where is their love now? You didn't know what is Bhagavad, you didn't know what is Ramayana, you didn't know what is Gita. When you came to the course or when we come here, we don't know what is the text also. Who did it? Who brought you to the ashram? Who brought me to the ashram? Who brought me to the Gurudev? You know How the love increases? By getting love. When you get love, then your love increases about that. How question increases about Gurudev? Who is Gurudev? How, what he eats? By getting love from Gurudev. You got love from Gurudev. You saw him. You know how it increased. When I used to see Gurudev, this question used to come. What time he got up? Although it's a Gita class is going on. And he's continuing. Arjuna is studying to Krishna. What is the difference between the karma sannyasa and karma yoga? And I'm thinking what time he got up. What he ate in the morning. If I can bring something from my side. I want to give him some fruit, some mithai, etc. Whom to ask. Let us chant the second verse. Then I return. And then I ask at the end, why what he eats in the morning, breakfast tomorrow I can bring something. Something, samosa, etc., whatever is required. It is why? Because you got the love. Why you are coming in the mission? Because you get love here. If you don't get love, you cannot come. Why you came closer to God? Because you got love from the God. And how He loved? By giving you something which has no price, which has no effort. For that you don't do anything, but you got everything. Parvati ji's life, Narad ji had to come to tell her that you should do tapasya. Then only it happened. This personality, which is single-pointed, is nourished by God Himself. Only you have to take one step, rest He will do it. तुम जाओ तो, you move ahead. He will create a situation. You ask. People say, how do you increase my devotion? Just sit, you ask. Shabri had just to desire God. He will come. Kevat only desired God. Kevat didn't know. Kevat didn't know. Only he knew Ram is there in the palace. He only wanted to touch Ram's feet and wash. Bas. Single pointed was there. He was lower caste, so he couldn't go there. Ram was very big. And I was not given a forest also. Still he used to think, if I could touch him, how can I touch? How can I touch his feet? These gopis who were there, you read Padma Purana. One Shruti was, she is doing tapasya. Somebody said, what? Well, no, I want to touch God. I want to feed with my own hands. Then Bhagwan came in their life. You desire little, His desire is multi-proportionally to substantiate your desire. आपने desire किया, you desired that I want to have such kind of love. After that, He will see, He will fulfill your desire. Bhagwan's coming in Gokul was not in Gopi's hand. Their in hand was to bless, I want to be with you, I want to love you. This is the magic. Then they feel, no, I think, always feel, God loves me more, that more. Never think I love a God a lot. The day you think I love a lot, your love will decrease. Well, I do a lot of puja. No, you don't do anything. Even if whole day and night you do puja, it's nothing to what you get from God. Parvati ji desired, but Shivji came. She can't force him. Sita ji desired, but Ram ji came to Pushpatimka. To desire is in your hand, but to come and to take the final step is not in your hand. It is His area. Shabri can desire. To desire is very easy. But only condition is, mamcha avyabhicharena bhakti yogena sevat. Only one desire. He only sees he has others also. बस यहीं पे ध्यान आता है. There is where ध्यान comes. You know, when Krishna Bhagavan was not born, gopis were there. Yes. Yashoda was there. Yes. What they were doing then? What they were doing? Tell me what they were doing. Huh? They were always thinking, if God can come in my life. Don't think suddenly Bhagavan came. If I can also be with them. आपने मांगा ही नहीं. I desire, then he fulfills this. One more step is remaining after this. Then he will give the knowledge of the self. Then you have the knowledge of the Brahman. Or he will bring teacher and give the knowledge. And make his swarup one with you. He will see that you are not going to, with the Jeev Bhav is not there. मान तो लो. मांगना सीखो भगवान से. Bhakti means that, everything is okay, but, I'm feeling like I'm seeing you only. बस हो गया, बहुत हो गया हमारा. All I have become converged, condensed, concentrated. Converged, condensed, concentrated, collected. एक ही बच गया है. कब आप कृपा करोगे? When you will do shower grace on me. When I will be serving you. This is dhyan. And then same God gives you knowledge. Then it is complete. That is liberation. God alone can give you knowledge. Yashoda desired. But to think and come to the process is not that easy. That desire itself is rare. We desire husband, wife, children. Who desire God? बस हमारी इतनी बात है. At least be grateful to what you have got. Keep on asking Him. Bhagavan, you gave me this much. Thank you for giving me. Thank you for giving me. Thank you for giving me. इतना ही बोलो आप. At least say, I got what I should not get, but you gave me. Okay, I don't have a desire to see you. I don't have a desire to talk to you. But I have respect for you. At least I want to surrender to you. When you gave everything, I also want to give everything to you. This is, I don't want to be of anybody now. सब कुछ आपको देना चाहते हैं. This is love. This is where satsang helps. This is where teacher is, may I help you to bring this desire. Satsang says, may I help you to bring this desire? Can I increase this? And then you see Gopi running here and there. Boli, where is Krishna? Where is Boli? He has come. Hey, come here. Where are you hiding inside? Come. I've seen you inside the bed. Come here. Pakad. Hey, no, he's not coming. Come here. Both are pulling inside the bed. Beneath the bed. Brahma ji is saying, I never could do like that. You'll see more tomorrow. Shri Krishna Sharanam Mama. 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 बोले कृष्ण चंद्र भगवान की, श्री सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की.